Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are group number 6, and inshallah today we are going to introduce our presentation about Arabian ceramics. My name is Ali Al-Bahith and my colleague Muhammad Hamada and Sultan Jamal Al-Qahtani. First of all, let's see our content. We will see what's our objective of this visit and overview, and to see the process of manufacturing and quality and safety and opportunities of improvements, and see what we recommend and SWOT analysis, and then our conclusion. The objective of our visit, the purpose of the visit were to see the following: first, the manufacturing process of the ceramics, first of all, and the quality control measures applied in the factory, also the safety system applied in the factory. The Arabian ceramics manufacturing company, it's a specialist in manufacture of ceramic tiles, and it was established in 2003. The process of manufacturing first start with preparation of raw materials that mix together to make up tile, and mixing and milling. Mixing and milling are very important process in production of tile. The third steps is the processing all components, and then going to glazing. Last step in the design of the ceramic. Then the ceramic going to the firing. In this stage, by transform the weak bricks into strong based on chemical reaction. Before end the step of sorting take place to checking final product and applying quality control measurement techniques like size and color. Last step is packaging and take place for all products to be ready for shipping. And now the quality and safety will be continue with Muhammad.
So quality and safety, quality and industrial engineering. Quality is the main pillar that IEs lays on, since it distinguishes competitors among each other in all fields, especially manufacturing sector. Arabian ceramic have had a drop a few years ago and lost lots of money caused by mistakes. After that drop, they changed their system by focusing on producing more to reduce what they have lost, neglecting quality aspect, which may have IEs bothered regarding this. Many prices are specified for quality, so it is hard to be obtained with this system, since organizations are competing aggressively to be the best. As the factory is only focusing on increasing profits with somehow and ignoring safety, then they most probably would have injuries and harmful injuries sometimes. Us as IEs do not accept the method followed. We take it as a seriously ethically unacceptable, especially for a manufacturing organization. So quality and safety are parallel and proportional to each other. Opportunity of improvements will be introduced by my colleague Sultan.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sultan. I'm going to talk about opportunity of improvement. There are some techniques to make improvement. The first one is don't waste. The best way to reduce material waste is to use less material from the beginning. And the second technique is recycle. Recycle is a key for reduce waste. If they cannot use the recycled material, they can sell it to a factory that can turning waste into profit. And third technique is optimize process to utilize all available material. Could they use more of the defective ceramic before scrapping it? Can they reuse it? Every scrap of discarded material represent an opportunity to improve process efficiency. And the fourth technique is improved training. There is no substitute for practical training. Take stock in your employees by training them on multiple process and show them the entire process from start to finish, so they will have a better understanding of their rules within that process. And the last technique is organize everything. Organizing is key to an efficient workpiece. Like, are the hand tools easy to find? All tools, parts, material, and instruction should have a specific place, and every employee should know where that place is. This process can be easier if they use Kaizen method. Now the recommendation will be with my colleague Muhammad.
So we actually look at critical points always and as IEs and try to improve and look for continuous improvement by enhancing the system towards the best to gain a good and wide reputation as a manufacturer. If another competitor have entered has entered the market, it will come to a high degree of competition, since quality and safety are kind of weak at that factory. We always hear quality and safety, and we thought this is unnecessary, since you said this is the goal. But when we saw other big factories like Salim York and the prices they obtained to be at the top locally and internationally, then we realized that this phrase is very significant. SWOT analysis will be introduced by my colleague Sultan.
Now I'm going to talk about SWOT analysis. First, with the strength. The factory has a high market share and high profit margin, and we have seen advanced machines, and they are cheaper than foreign companies, and they are the dominant factory. There are no local competitors. And the weaknesses is the limitation, only one factory, and low level of safety and quality, as my colleague Muhammad mentioned. And opportunities is expansion. If they can open more branches for the factory, this will be big opportunity. And if they increase the safety, and if they export for more countries, and the threats is if the new local competitors enter the market, this will be a big threat. And in conclusion, this visit was very useful for us, and we had a chance to see the manufacturing process of the ceramic. However, we found out that the factory is missing the most important pillars of industrial engineering, which are quality and safety. Since they are focusing on selling more and increasing profit of recovery, we believe that if they give attention on safety and quality, the company will be successful in all areas. And thank you for listening.